What happens to matter when it falls into a black hole? This cosmic object feels like a gateway to another dimension. It challenges the laws of physics and breaks our understanding of time and space. Today, we embark on a journey to the darkest heart of the universe. Black holes are born from the death of giant stars. When a star runs out of fuel, its core collapses under its own gravity. At that moment, a colossal force is unleashed, with no way back. This is how the most mysterious objects in the universe are created. Black holes come in different sizes. Small ones can weigh a few solar masses, while supermassive ones weigh billions. They sit at the centers of galaxies and guide their evolution. You could call them the architects of the cosmos. If black holes emit no light, how do we find them? Scientists observe their effect on the surroundings. Blazing accretion disks and bursts of X-ray radiation betray their presence. This is how we uncover the mystery of invisible monsters. In 2019, we saw a black hole for the first time. The Event Horizon Telescope revealed its dark shadow, surrounded by a glowing ring. That image made history and proved Einstein right. Now, black holes are no longer theory, but proven fact. The defining feature of a black hole, its event horizon. It is the invisible boundary beyond which nothing can return. Anything crossing it disappears forever from our universe. Even light becomes its prisoner. Black holes warp space and time themselves. They act like a funnel, bending light around them. Stars appear stretched and doubled. It looks like an illusion, but it is entirely real. What happens if a spaceship approaches a black hole? For an outside observer, it will slow down and freeze at the event horizon. But for the pilot, time will pass normally. Here, relativity becomes tangible. Falling into a black hole leads to the effect of spaghettification. The body is stretched into thin strands by gravity. The difference in force between head and feet becomes fatal. It is one of the most terrifying scenarios in space. Some black holes emit powerful energy jets. Streams of plasma shoot thousands of light years into space. These jets shine brighter than an entire galaxy. They reveal the colossal power of hidden darkness. Sometimes two black holes collide and merge into one. This process is accompanied by an enormous release of energy. During the merger, gravitational waves ripple across the universe. This allows us to hear the cosmos. Gravitational waves were first detected in 2015. These ripples in space-time and a new era of astronomy. Now we can explore the universe not only with our eyes, but also with hearing. It's like giving humanity a brand new sense dot. At the heart of nearly every large galaxy hides a supermassive black hole. It governs the orbits of stars and clouds of gas. Without it, the galaxy could not exist in its familiar form. Black holes keep the cosmos in balance. For a long time, black holes were thought to only destroy, but modern research shows they also create. Their radiation and jets trigger the birth of new stars. In this way, death transforms into creation. Each new discovery about black holes reshapes our understanding of the universe. It's like lifting a curtain on a mystery, once thought unreachable. Today, these objects are not only symbols of destruction, but also sources of knowledge. And this is only the beginning of our journey into the cosmic abyss. Black holes affect not only space, but also the flow of time. For an outside observer, clocks near the event horizon slow down. For someone close, time feels normal. It's a striking confirmation of Einstein's relativity. Some black holes spin nearly at the speed of light. Their rotational energy could power entire galaxies. Scientists suggest that one day humanity might harness this force. It would be an inexhaustible source of energy. Not all black holes are easy to spot. Some hide in interstellar space, emitting no bright light. We detect them only by their influence on nearby stars and gas. They are the invisible hunters of the universe. Scientists suggest that many black holes may have formed in the early universe. They are smaller than an atom yet incredibly massive. They might have played a role in shaping the cosmos. Whether they exist remains a mystery. By studying black holes, we glimpse the future of humanity. They help us understand the birth, life, and death of the universe. Each new discovery expands the limits of possibility. Perhaps within them lies the key to eternity. The idea of black holes was predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. He showed that mass can bend space and time. Although Einstein doubted their existence, his equations were correct. Today, they form the foundation of our knowledge. One of the greatest mysteries is the information paradox. What happens to the data of matter falling into a black hole? According to quantum mechanics, information cannot be destroyed, but black holes challenge this principle. Stephen Hawking suggested that black holes evaporate. They emit a faint quantum glow, Hawking radiation. This means even eternal darkness can fade away. But the process takes trillions of years. Some scientists believe black holes could be portals beyond the event horizon. Another universe may lie. It remains a hypothesis, but it sparks imagination. Then every black hole could be a doorway to a new world. Black holes have become symbols of darkness, but also of hope. They remind us that even in the abyss lies a source of knowledge. Every new discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe, and this journey has only just begun. Black holes are the natural laboratories of the universe. They test the laws of physics at their absolute limits. What we cannot reproduce on Earth happens there every moment. They help us understand the foundations of reality. There are ultramassive black holes, weighing tens of billions of suns. They can swallow entire star systems. Their scale amazes even scientists. These are the true titans of the cosmos. Paradoxically, black holes may create conditions for life. Their jets heat gas clouds, giving birth to new stars. And with stars come new planets. In this way, death brings the possibility of new worlds. If a black hole approached our system, it would be catastrophic. It would disrupt planetary orbits and wipe out life. Fortunately, the nearest black holes are far away, but the thought reminds us of life's fragility. Today, humanity stands at the threshold of a new era of black hole research. Modern telescopes let us see what was once only theory. Each new image unveils another cosmic secret, and we are only beginning to grasp the scale of the unknown. Astronomers are constantly hunting for new black holes. Sometimes they discover systems where a star orbits an invisible companion. This reveals the hidden presence of a collapsed black hole. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe. Some black holes power quasars. These are unbelievably bright objects, outshining hundreds of galaxies. Their light reaches us across billions of years. They are like lighthouses, illuminating the distant universe. Scientists are studying the link between black holes and dark energy. There is a hypothesis that they might be the source of its nature. If true, this could unlock the mystery of the universe's accelerated expansion. It is one of the boldest ideas in modern science. Modern computers create simulations of black holes. They let scientists see how matter moves and vanishes into the abyss. These models test our theories and predict new discoveries. Science unites mathematics and imagination. Black holes inspire not only scientists, but also artists, writers, and philosophers. Black holes inspire not only scientists, but also artists, writers, and philosophers. They have become symbols of eternal mystery and irresistible allure. In their image, fear and beauty are intertwined. Perhaps this is what makes them the most captivating objects in the cosmos. Since ancient times, people imagine the abyss as a gateway to another world. Today we know black holes are real, yet the myths remain. They unite science and imagination, creating new legends. This is the power of a symbol that lives in human culture. Hollywood has often turned to black holes. Movies like Interstellar portrayed them with stunning accuracy. Scientists helped create visualizations based on real physics. Thus, science and art merge to bring space to life. In the future, humanity dreams of exploring black holes directly. This would require ships able to withstand extreme conditions. For now it sounds like science fiction, but research is moving closer. Each step forward makes the impossible a bit nearer. By studying black holes, we explore the limits of the possible. They open new horizons for both science and philosophy. Each discovery raises more questions than it answers. But this is the true essence of the quest for knowledge. Despite all achievements, we are only at the beginning. Humanity is just starting to touch the mystery of black holes. Ahead lie decades of discoveries and unexpected revelations, and each step brings the cosmos closer to us. Black holes unite to extremes of science, general relativity, and quantum mechanics. Here the laws of the vast and the laws of the microscopic collide. This conflict shows that we do not yet fully understand the universe, and perhaps the solution will lead us to new physics. Studying black holes means working at the edge of knowledge. Each new observation raises more questions than answers. Scientists sense that behind this mystery, the foundation of reality, black holes are both a challenge and an invitation to discovery. The event horizon remains the greatest mystery. We do not know what lies beyond that boundary. Perhaps a completely new law of nature is hidden there. Each study brings us closer to the answer. Many scientists believe black holes will play a key role in the fate of the universe. When stars fade, they will remain the last beacons of the cosmos. After trillions of years, even they will vanish, and then will come the era of darkness and silence. Black holes reveal the ultimate limits of the possible. They challenge everything we know about time, space, and matter. But in this challenge lies progress, and perhaps they will lead us to the greatest discovery in history. Gravitational waves from black hole mergers are like the voice of the universe. They carry information about events we will never see with our eyes. Each detected signal, the greeting from the depths of space. We are learning to listen to the pulse of reality itself. Black holes are strict teachers. They make us ask what space, matter, and energy truly are. Without them, we would never know the limits of human knowledge. And because of them, we come closer to the truth. Every generation looks to the sky seeking answers. Black holes have become symbols of questions we have not yet solved, but they inspire new generations of explorers. And one day, we may touch their mystery. The grandeur of black holes is not only science, but also poetry. They remind us how small Earth is and how infinite the cosmos. Their silence speaks louder than any words. Within their quiet lies the music of the universe. Black holes will remain a mystery for centuries to come. Each new discovery brings even more secrets. They are an eternal reminder that the universe is far more complex than we imagine. And perhaps that is what makes it so beautiful. We began with a question. What happens to matter in a black hole? The answer proved far more complex than we imagined. Black holes are not just symbols of destruction, but keys to understanding the universe. And as we search for answers, they remain silent, keeping their secrets in the heart of the cosmos.